Okay, so now in this video we're going to see what is the basic properties of determinant. So kamu dah tahu macam mana nak cari determinant for a 2 by 2 matrix and macam mana nak cari determinant for a 3 by 3 matrix. So by now kita dah tahu dah macam mana nak calculate determinant. So apa gunanya basic properties of determinant ni? Macam apa yang kita dah tengok kat sini, kita dah tengok 2 by 2 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix. So now we are going to see how to find, basically how to use properties of determinant. Okay, to find determinant. So, macam mana cara kita nak gunakan properties of determinant? So, kalau kamu tengok kat sini, kita ada 6 basic properties. Biasanya, kalau soalan tak akan cakap, find the determinant by using properties. Normally, soalan akan guna hence. Okay, contoh kamu dah cari determinant, and then dia suruh hence, find the other determinant. Okay, so, kat situ kamu kena gunakan basic properties. Okay, wajib kena guna basic properties. Kalau tak guna properties, maksudnya jawapan dia salah lah. Kalau kamu kira lain, jawapan dia akan jadi salah. Okay, so basically sebenarnya basic properties ni kita bukan guna formula. Kita just like use all these 6 basic properties to find the determinant. Okay, so now we are going to see the first properties, which is kalau kamu baca kat sini, kita kata each element of any row or column of a determinant is multiplied by a constant. Okay, saya tunjuk. Kalau kita belajar, before this kita belajar scalar multiplication for a matrix. Contoh, kalau saya ada matrix A equals to, saya guna 2 by 2 lah, 3, 2, 1, 4 contoh. Okay, kalau kita ada kita multiply by 2, let's say if 2A is equals to 2 times 3, 2, 1, 4. Okay, kalau kita darabkan, kita akan darabkan dengan every element dekat dalam ni. Betul tak? Okay, kita akan dapat 6, 4, 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 4, 8. Okay, so ini ialah matrices. Okay, scalar multiplication for matrices. Tapi bila kita cerita pasal determinant, dia akan jadi lain. Okay, macam saya pernah tekankan before this, bila dia tulis macam ni, ini bukan matrix, okay? Ini ialah determinant. I mean, dia matrix lah, tapi dia cerita pasal determinant, okay? So, maksudnya kalau dia punya bracket ni tegak macam ni, maksudnya dia suruh cari apa determinant kita. So, now the properties ialah apa yang membezakan dia dengan matrix tadi. Kalau kita ada constant, we are going to multiply in for each of this element, for this entry. But, if we have a determinant, let's say, if I have determinant of A is equals to 2A, 2B, CD. Okay, kalau kamu tengok dekat row yang pertama, kita boleh keluarkan 2. Okay, kita boleh keluarkan 2. Maksudnya we can multiply a constant. Kita terus boleh keluarkan 2 dekat situ. 2, A, B, C, D. Okay, so kalau kamu tengok dekat matrices, kita boleh keluarkan 2 kalau every element boleh factorizekan 2. But for determinant, kalau satu row ataupun satu column tu ada constant, you can bring it out. Okay, means by modulus, determinant of KA is equals to K to the power of N times determinant. So apa maksud to the power of N tu? Let's say kalau saya ada determinant of B is equals to 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B. Okay, so sekarang, let's say for the first row, dekat sini, saya boleh keluarkan 2. Okay, boleh keluarkan 2. And then for the second row, saya boleh keluarkan 3. So, darab dengan 3. So, matrix dekat dalam akan jadi A, B. Tukar sini CD. 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 Okay, A, B, C, D. So, you are going to get 6 times by determinant of matrix A, B, C, D. Okay, so kita boleh keluarkan dia. So, N dekat sini is power lah. Contoh kalau kita ada 2A, 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 2A kat sini, kamu akan darabkan dia by 2 times dengan 2. Okay, each row or column tu kalau ada constant, kita kena keluarkan dia. Okay, nampak macam complicated, tapi tak apa. Kita terus pergi kepada example kita. Let's see. Okay, we have determinant of matrix A, 203936 A54 is equals to 90. So, that what we have. So, for question A, find the determinant of this. So, apa kaitan dia dekat sini? Okay, dia kata if ini, find ini. So, kita tak boleh guna formula. I mean, tak boleh guna formula 3 by 3 matrix lah sebab dia suruh guna yang ini. So now apa yang kamu tengok bezanya dekat sini, dekat kita punya first column kita. Okay, tengok dekat first column kita 4, 18, 2A. Okay, so here is 2, 9A. So we can factorize 2 from here. So we factorize 2. So kita akan dapat 2, 9A. Yang lain semua samalah 0, 3, 3, 6, 5, 4. Okay, so kalau kita factorizekan 2, kolom yang belakang ni tak ada masalah, dia tak terjejas pun sebab kita factorizekan 2 dekat determinant. Okay, dekat first column of our determinant. Okay, so now we know that this is the same as this, which is determinant of this is 90. So we can straight away put 2 times 90 is equals to 180. Okay, for question B, kalau kamu tengok kat sini apa yang berbeza? So kalau kita tengok 035 sama dengan yang sebelumnya sama 035. So yang berbeza ialah okay, apa kata kita kaitkan from the next question? Okay, the previous question dekat sini. So 2A54 sama 2A54, 1836 sama 1836. Okay, so boleh kaitkan dengan yang sebelumnya sebab kita tahu determinant of this is equals to 180. So now we have yang berbezanya dekat sini ialah 806. Okay, 0 tu sama, tak ada masalah lah. So now this is our first row. Ini first row yang berbeza. So apa yang terjadi? 4 darab 2, kita akan dapat 8. 3 times 2 we are going to get 6. So apa yang kita buat dekat situ ialah we can factorize 2 equals to 2. So if we factorize 2 in the first row, we are going to get 4, 0, 3. So yang lain masih akan kekal 18, 3, 6, 2A, 5, 4. So as you can see here, this determinant is the same as this determinant. Okay, sama 403, 18, 3, 6, 2A, 5, 4. So we know that this determinant is 280. So we will have 2 times 180 equals to 360. Okay, so instead of kita relate dengan the first question, the main question dekat sini, kita boleh relate dengan previous question. So last example dekat sini, C. So apa yang berbeza dekat sini? We have 806. Kalau kita tengok dekat previous question, 806 sama 2854 sama 2A54 sama. So yang beza dekat sini. Okay, so 18 macam mana nak dapatkan 6 divide by 3? Samalah 3 divide by 3 dapat 1, 6 divide by 3 dapat 2. So basically we can factorize. So main kita ialah dekat second row. So we can factorize 1 over 3. So atas tak ada masalah, jangan usik. 2A54. So from the second row here, we are going to factorize 1 over 3, which is we get 18, 3, 6. Okay, so we know that this determinant is the same as this determinant. So sama 806, 1836, 2A54. So sama dengan sini. So we know that this determinant is equals to 360. So we can straight away multiply 1 over 3 times 360, which is we are going to get 120. So that is the first basic properties. Okay, sangat-sangat penting. So as what we have seen, we can factorize a constant from any row or column. Okay, so let's move on to the next properties, which is ini kita dah discuss before dalam example yang sebelum ni. Let's say if I have determinant of A is equals to X and determinant of B equals to Y. Let's say the question said find determinant of AB. We can simply multiply X, Y. Okay, or we can write it as determinant of AB is equals to determinant of A times determinant of B, which is we are going to get X, Y. Okay, so let's see the example here. We have determinant of A is equals to 90 and determinant of B is equals to 12, C is equals to 26. So if you want to find determinant of AB, we can simply multiply 90 times 12, which is we are going to get 1080. So sama jugalah untuk ABC, 90 times 12 times 26, we are going to get kira 280. Okay, so that is the second properties. Yang tu very simple lah. So next, we have determinant of A transpose is equals to determinant of A. Okay, so sama. Kalau kita cari A, soalan tu suruh cari determinant of A, and then the question asks for determinant of A transpose, it will be the same. Let's say if we have A is equals to A, B, C, D, and then if we have A transpose, so A transpose apa? Kita tukar row menjadi column. So we have A, B, C, D. So let's find determinant of A. Kita tahu itu ialah formula kita, A, D minus B, C. And if we want to find A transpose, so basically A, D minus B, C as well. Okay, so A, D minus B, C. So we know that determinant of A is equals to determinant of A transpose. Okay, so tak payah susah-susah kira lagi sekali. If you know the properties, you can straight away give the answer. Kalau kamu kira lagi sekali, tak ada markah pun dekat kiraan, tidak ada markah pun dekat final answer, walaupun jawapan kamu betul. Okay, so contoh macam ni, if you have A03936,154 equals to 90, so we know that. So the question asks to find this determinant. So kalau kamu guna formula apa semua panjang-panjang lah, takkan dapat markah. Okay, sebab ini basically apa yang kita nampak, A03 kat sini. So 936, and then the other one 154, which is we know that this is a transpose. Let's say this is A, this is A transpose. So determinant dia akan jadi sama lah, equals to 90. Okay, so next, properties. The value of determinant changes sign when two rows or column interchange. Okay, yang ni senang lah. So let's say if we have a determinant of A, B, C, D. So let's say kalau kita tukar C, D, A, B, apa yang akan terjadi dekat determinant dia akan jadi negatif. Okay, so sign dia akan bertukar. So let's see if we have determinant of matrix A is equals to 90. So apa yang kamu nampak dekat sini, let's see, yang ni 154 sama. So the difference is from row 1 and row 2. Okay, the question interchange the row 1 and row 2, A03 936. So we know that this should be negative. Okay, negative 90. We have to change sign for the determinant. Kalau jawapan dia kat sini negative 90, here will be 90 lah. Okay, change sign, bukan negatif kan So for this one, apa yang sama, kita nampak 035 sama. Okay, so yang interchange dekat situ is this one, first column and third column. So we know that the determinant is equals to negative 90 as well. Okay, so ini senang je. If any column or row ada 0, 0, 0, the determinant is equals to 0. Okay, as you can see, here we have 0, 0, 0 in the third column. Here we have 0, 0, 0 in the second column. Then you are going to get 0. Kalau kamu tengok formula pun, kalau kita letak, kan kita nak buat determinant, kita letak A dulu kat depan kan. Kalau dah depan, kiri, kanan 0, 0, 0, obviously kita akan dapat 0. Okay, so the last properties here, if the corresponding elements are equal in two rows or column, the value of the determinant is also 0. So what does it mean by that? Contoh dekat sini, apa yang kamu notice, kita ada 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Okay, first row dengan third row sama. And also for this one, we have A61 as well. So both of these matrices is equals to 0. Okay, so that is basic properties of determinant. Okay, ada 6 basic properties of determinant. So yang lain saya rasa tak ada masalah. Untuk yang nombor 1 ni yang ramai ada masalah sebab kamu confused dengan apa yang saya terangkan dekat sini. Okay, confused dengan scalar multiplication. Beza matrices dengan determinant berbeza. Okay, so let's see this example 11 dengan 12 dekat situ. Okay, fikir dulu. We have a determinant of matrix A. Let's say this is matrix A. Tulislah determinant of matrix A is equals to 70. 77. So find this. So kamu kena fikirlah apa bezanya ini dengan ini. So what's the difference? So we know that here we have 214, but here we have 214. Okay, 5 negative 1 3, 5 negative 1 3, A56, A56. So apa beza ini dengan ni? Apa relation dia? Dia ialah, let's say this is 214. So ini dia ialah row, so ini dia jadi column, which is this is A transpose. Okay, so what we know if for determinant of A and A transpose, both are the same, which is kalau A kita 77, A transpose kita 77 juga. Okay, so please don't use formula banyak panjang, tak perlu. Okay, just use the properties. Okay, last example 12. Okay, yang ni complicated sikit lah, kita kena buat pelan-pelan. So we have if A given matrix A and A is equals to negative 73. Ini determinant tolong tambah. Determinant of A is equals to negative 73. Find that. Okay, so kita akan cuba satu-satu. So apa yang sama dekat situ? Apa yang paling sama? Kamu nampak 1C0, tapi ini 1C0 kita. Okay, so we are going to start from here. We have 2, 12, 1, 1 to B, C, A, then 0 equals to, okay, 1C0 dekat sini atas. Okay, so kalau kita transpose sekalipun dia akan jadi dekat sini, betul tak? Okay, kalau kita transposekan dia akan jadi 1C0 dekat first column kita, tapi 1C0 kita berada dekat third column. So how about we move our third column into the first column? Let's say if we move 1C0 here, okay, interchange from the third column to the first column. So we will have 1C0, belakang ialah 21A, tengah tak ada masalah, 12 to B, 10. Okay, so what happen if we interchange the row? Okay, what is the properties if we interchange from third column, interchange between third and first column? Apa yang akan jadi? Dia akan jadi, check balik kita punya properties, change the sign. Okay, so here should be negative. Okay, so masih lagi belum dapat sama dengan apa yang matrix A tu nak. So now we can see that macam kita cakap tadi, ini kalau kita transpose dia akan jadi 1C0. So here kita dah ada 1C0. So we can transpose everything. So equals to negative. So kalau kita transpose ni 112 2 akan jadi dekat sini 112 2 C to B1 0 10 A. Okay, so kita transposekan. So determinant of A dengan determinant of A transpose sama. Okay, masih kekal. So masih kekal lah. So ada negatif lagi, tak berubah. So now we almost there. 1C0 1C0 21A to 1A. So the difference here is 6B5 and 12 to B10. The difference is in the second row. So boleh factorize ke tidak? 6 nak dapat 12, kita dah dapat 2, sama juga. Times by 2 times by 2. So what we can do here, we can factorize negative, we can factorize 2. Okay, so yang lain kamu janganlah bahagi 2 juga sebab kita di determinant. So the properties, the first properties, kita keluarkan constant from each element, from each row or column sahaja. Okay, so here we are going to factorize 2. First row masih kekal, second row, third row masih kekal, The second row, we will have 6B5. Okay, so now we know that determinant of 1C0, 6B5 to 1A is equals to negative 73. So we are going to get negative 2 times 73 is equals to 146. Okay, so that is how you use basic properties of determinants. Okay, so this is your exit ticket for today. Submit on GC. Fikirlah nak guna properties ke tak guna properties ke. It's up to you. Okay, thank you class.